This is Learn English with Ease.
English made powerful, simple, and yours.
Hey, Emma, can I ask you something?
Sure, Jack, what's up?
Have you ever felt like, English words, you even use them, but somehow it still sounds awkward when you speak?
Oh my gosh, all the time. It's so frustrating. You think you're saying the right thing, but then you just cringe.
Exactly. And I realized something. It's not just beginners. Even advanced learners mess up some of the most common words, and it makes them sound unnatural or stiff.
Totally. And the crazy part? These are words we all know. It's not like we're learning new vocab. It's using it the right way that matters.
So today we're going to talk about 5 English words you're probably misusing, why it happens, and how to fix it so you never sound awkward again.
Yes! And we'll practice them in real conversation too, so you can actually feel the difference.
Perfect. Let's start with the first one. Literally.
Oh, I know this one. Everyone loves this word, but most learners use it wrong all the time.
Right. Like, I literally died of laughter. Technically, you didn't die, right?
Exactly. Literally means exactly true. Using it as an exaggeration is super common, but it actually makes your English sound awkward if overused.
So what should we say instead?
Use words like really, so, or actually. For example, instead of I literally died laughing, you could say, I was laughing so hard I couldn't stop.
Wow, that already sounds more natural.
And that's the point. Small adjustments make a huge difference.
All right, number 2. Actually.
Ah, yes, this one trips up so many learners.
Totally. People say actually in almost every sentence.
Right, like, actually, I like pizza. Sounds off, right?
Yeah, it should be used to correct or contrast something like, I actually do like pizza even though I said I don't.
Exactly. Using it as a filler makes your English sound forced, not natural.
Okay, number 3. Interesting.
Oh, this is my favorite. Everyone says interesting for everything.
Like when something is confusing or boring, people still say, oh, that's interesting.
Yes. Native speakers use interesting carefully. It's usually for something that really grabs your attention or surprises you.
So alternatives could be fascinating, funny, strange, or even surprising, depending on what you mean. All right, number 4. Good.
Exactly. That small tweak makes you sound much more confident and natural. Haha, yes, the most overused word ever.
Learners say good for literally everything. Food, movies, people.
The trick is to be more specific. Instead of good, say delicious, amazing, helpful, fun, or impressive.
So instead of, the cake is good, you could say, the cake is amazing.
Exactly, instantly more natural.
And the last one, number 5, very.
Oh yes. Very is such a filler. People say very good, very nice, very interesting.
Native speakers often skip very and just choose a stronger word, like excellent, fantastic, amazing.
Right, it makes your English colorful and confident without sounding stiff.
Okay, now let's practice all 5 words together in a short conversation.
Perfect. Let's imagine we're at a restaurant.
The dessert looks fascinating.
I know, right? And the chocolate cake smells amazing.
I actually love trying new desserts.
Me too, and the staff here is really helpful.
Yes, and the atmosphere is excellent, not just good.
Wow, see? We just replaced all the overused words naturally. Doesn't it feel better?
Absolutely, it makes the conversation flow and it feels alive.
That's the goal. It's not just about learning words. It's about thinking in English, feeling the words, and choosing the right one for the moment.
Totally. Now, let's add a little twist, using these words in a more emotional situation. Like, imagine you're telling a friend about your day.
Okay. Today was fascinating. I literally couldn't stop smiling when I saw the surprise party. Everyone was so helpful and the decorations were amazing. I actually felt really loved.
Perfect. Notice how natural it sounds now? You didn't need fillers or awkward words.
Exactly. And that's what we want for learners. English that feels real, confident, and natural.
Okay, time for a tiny challenge for our listeners. Pick one word you overuse and replace it with a more natural alternative every time you speak English this week.
Yes, and don't worry if you make mistakes. Noticing them is already a huge step forward.
Little changes every day lead to big improvements. You'll be surprised how quickly your English sounds fluent and natural.
And the best part? You'll stop feeling awkward, nervous, or fake when speaking.
Exactly. Confidence comes from knowing the right word at the right time.
So remember today, the 5 words to watch. Literally, actually, interesting, good, and very.
Practice them in real conversations, and you'll notice a huge difference in how you sound.
That's all for today, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Keep practicing, stay confident, and speak English naturally.
Bye for now. And remember, even small changes can make your English feel amazing.
Bye. Keep shining in English.